Hello students, now we are going to derive gravitational field due to solid sphere. First we are going to derive gravitational field for point outside the sphere. Case 1, point outside the sphere. Let us define what is gravitational field. We already know the gravitational field is given by the equation. The gravitational field, we are going to denote it by capital F, is equal to negative rate dv by dx, dv by minus dv by dx. So already we got V, potential. Since the gravitational potential at a point outside the sphere is given by V is equal to minus gm upon r. Therefore F is equal to minus d dr of V, minus gm upon r. This minus minus becomes plus, so d dr of gm upon r. Gm is constant, take it outside, gm, and it becomes minus 1 upon r square, which is equal to minus gm upon r square. So this is gravitational field due to a point outside the sphere for a solid sphere. Now let us see the case 2. Case 2 is point on the surface. So we already know for a point on the surface of the sphere, r is equal to a. When r equal to a, just substitute in the above equation. So we obtain F is equal to minus, we already got gm upon r square. In place of this r, we are just going to substitute it by a. So gravitational field becomes F is equal to minus gm upon a square. This is our equation number 2. Now let us see the case number 3. Case 3, point inside the sphere. For a point inside the sphere, V is equal to, we already derived, we got this, V is equal to minus gm 3a square minus r square upon 2a cube. Potential, we got V is equal to minus gm 3a square minus r square upon 2a cube. Now the gravitational field is given by F is equal to minus dv upon dx. Substitute the value. Here we will take r instead of x because here the distance is r. Therefore we obtain F is equal to minus d dr of V is equal to minus d dr of minus gm 3a square minus r square upon 2a cube. This minus minus get cancelled. We will take gm outside. So gm d dr of 3a square minus r square upon 2, even 2a cube we will take it outside. A is constant, so this will operate only on d dr of this gm upon 2a cube into minus 2r, 2 cancels, minus gm into r upon a cube. Now case 4, point at the center of the sphere, means we need to substitute r is equal to 0. When r is equal to 0, that indicate the point is at the center. Therefore, we obtain field F is equal to, substituting in this equation, r is equal to 0. So, field becomes F is equal to 0. Now, we will plot the graph. Here in this diagram, this denotes x-axis. This is the radius A, and if the point is on the surface, it will till the distance is equal to A, F is equal to minus gm upon A square when it is on the surface. Below that, it is F is equal to minus gm r upon A cube, and above the radius A, if a point is outside the sphere, then F is equal to minus gm upon r square. अगर point on the surface है तो F is equal to minus gm upon a square रहेगा. If the point is inside the sphere, then it will linearly increase, and if it is outside the sphere, then it will exponentially decrease. ये दिख रहा है आपको? Thank you.